Assalamualaikum viewers. I'm on the beach in Somalia, Mogadishu. Lilu Beach, one of the most famous beaches of all time. This beach was known to have Italian and many European visitors from all around the world. So today, I enjoy my fruit tree as I'm sitting on Lilu Beach. Welcome to Mogadishu.